I'm Daiwik. Today I'm making my own fire extinguisher. And I'll tell you how the fire extinguisher works in the end of this video. First, we need half tablespoons of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and a candle. Let's do it. First, we need to get the baking soda to the vinegar. Ta-da! See? The fire is gone. I'll tell you about that. In here, got little bubbles there, right? They're carbon dioxide. When you put the vinegar in near the fire, the fire will stop. When I put the baking soda to the vinegar, the carbon dioxide release and stop the fire. I'll do it again. I'll put the baking soda to the vinegar again. Ta-da! These bubbles are carbon dioxide. And when I put the vinegar near to the fire stops. This is how the fire extinguisher works in real life. You can do this experiment in home, and please subscribe, ring the bell, see you next.